I always do a middle parting with these glueless wig installs, but today I wanted to show you that you can easily do a side parting, especially if you have a larger lace size. If you have 5x5 or larger, you can definitely rock it in a deep side parting, glueless, and it's still gonna look super bomb.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
Today's wig install is super special because it is Nadula's hair 7th anniversary. I have worked with Nadula hair since the very beginning of their online hair store opening. So I'm so excited to share their 7th year anniversary sale because the deals this year are even better than previous years. So if you want to get the biggest discounts, be sure to use the code NA7. That is for Nadula Hair's 7th year anniversary sale. It's going to be running from April 1st all the way until the 13th, y'all. So don't miss out. And if you are watching this after April 13th, then I will have another discount code that you can use to still save some money. But for the biggest discount, make sure you catch their anniversary sale. Also, you'll get a free electric comb if your order is over $179, and that's exclusively for my subbies. So I would like to give a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and sharing these super bomb discount codes with you guys. So this is Nadula Hair's BYEBYE Knots Glueless Wig. It has a 7x5" HD lace closure that you can wear in a middle, a side parting. You could do an off-center parting. You can do a lot of different styles with this wig, y'all. Also, this wig is 24 inches long. I'm gonna show you exactly how I installed this wig today and styled her. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, you don't know what to do, definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from Nadula Hair. I believe this is a water wave wig. Here is their packaging. So once you open up the box, here's your wig. And there's also some freebies on the bottom. So it came with this nice brush. It looks like it's a nice detangling brush. So I'm gonna use this to define the curls on the hair. It also came with this HD wig cap, an elastic melting band. And then it came with another elastic melting band, another HD wig cap, and some press-on nails. So my lighting has changed quite a bit from my last few clips. I had to fix a couple things with my lighting, including my light, and I didn't have my reflector. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but the lighting was not good in the last few clips. It should be better now, so I apologize for that. Let's go ahead and take the wig out of its packaging. So yes, this is a water wave texture, as I thought. This is 24 inches long. This is one of their wear and go glueless wigs. And here is a close-up of the lace. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with pre-cut lace. It has bleached knots. As far as the inside of the cap, here is the lace underneath. This is a 7x5" HD lace closure, y'all. It has adjustable straps inside of the wig, and it also has this silicone grip around the entire inside of the wig cap, so it fits nice and secure to your head. And there is one big wig comb in the back. There's no wig combs up top, but y'all already know I only ever use the one in the back anyways, so this is perfect for me. Now there is a spot for you to add an adjustable strap elastic band, and they did include an adjustable strap for you guys to install inside the wig. So I will be adding this to the wig right now. So I went ahead and added my liquid foundation underneath the lace. That's what I always do to tint my lace so that it matches my skin tone when I install the wig. So let's go ahead and throw that baby on our head and see what we are working with. Okay, so we've got that baby on now. The curls look nice and fluffy, but I definitely want to define the curls on this wig, y'all. As you can see, this is a completely glueless install, and the wig is nice and secure. It's not going nowhere, okay? So you can definitely style this wig in a middle or a side parting. I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten up this middle parting. The waves are really pretty straight out of the box, but I want to define these curls a little bit more, so I'm gonna wet the hair down, y'all. This has water and Kinky Curly Not Today inside, and I'm gonna use this just to lightly dampen the hair, y'all, so we can define the waves on this wig. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of curl mousse. This is the Moisture Miracle African Pride Rose Water and Argan Oil Curling Mousse. And I'm gonna use this to further define these waves. And I love the way this stuff smells, y'all. You do not need any hair perfume when you use that mousse. It is so good. And make sure you scrunch up the hair on the bottom as you're adding the mousse in. Next, I'm gonna take my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment on it, and we're gonna go ahead and diffuse these waves, y'all. So it's gonna make the hair look bigger and more defined. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera and I'll be right back. So here is the wig with a middle parting, y'all. I just finished defining the curls on this side as well. I think that the curls look even better now. And of course, as the day goes on, you can definitely comb out this hair and get it nice and big. But I love this defined, like wet and wavy type of look. I feel like this is perfect for spring and for vacation and everything. I decided to go ahead and change my shirt. Y'all know I love wearing black, but I feel like you couldn't see the wig as much. So I really wanted y'all to see the curl pattern and the wave pattern on this wig. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wide tooth comb just to pick the hair a bit so we can get her a little bigger than she is now. I don't wanna really pick out the bottom too much. Go. Super pretty, y'all. Look at this wig now. So now I want to do a side parting on the wig. You can part it on whichever side. I want to do mine on the left side, and I'm gonna do a deep like C parting because I think that's gonna look really pretty for this wig. So I'm gonna have to use my hot comb this time since we're gonna be resetting the parting. I'm gonna take a little bit of my wax stick. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit on this side as well, and the back. Next, I'm gonna take my spritz spray, and we're gonna use a hot comb this time so we can redefine the parting on this wig because it was already set in a middle parting, but you could just as easily rock it in a side parting, an off-center parting, pretty much wherever on the closure you want to part it, you can, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wig forward a bit. Next, I'm gonna take my mousse, and we're just gonna use that on the top of the wig to lay it flat, y'all, okay? So next I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and I'm gonna use the MAC 212 brush, and we're going to define this parting a bit more. Then I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb again, and we're just going to comb this hair out yet again, particularly on this side, since we pulled some hair from this side. And there you go, y'all. We have a side parting as well. Still completely glueless. You can pull this wig on and off as you see fit, and it's not going anywhere, okay? So this wig install turned out super cute, right, y'all? Be sure to catch this wig on sale for Nadula Hair's 7th year anniversary. I will have all the discount codes in the description box down below for you guys. I wanna thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And if any of you are interested in learning how I get wigs from companies and get paid to post about the wigs, definitely click the link at the top of my description box. That's gonna take you to my digital course, and I teach you exactly how you can do this as well. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And if you haven't already checked out my latest video, go ahead, keep the party going and check it out right here.